So today I'm here with Megalook. Okay, super excited for today's wig. So let's go ahead and jump on into the package. Okay, so before we get into the wig, let's see what goodies Megalook sent me today. So alright, all the goodies were sent in this little bag here, a little drawstring bag. So I got an edge brush and comb, a pair of wig caps, and a patterned elastic headband. And lastly, I got a pair of lashes. So, actually, this is the final thing. I got this little clip here. You could go ahead and accessorize your hairstyle with it. So for today's wig, once I opened the bag, I saw that I got an elastic band, like an extra adjustable elastic band in the wig bag. So the wig we're working with today is actually some inches, and I'm super happy for this. Actually do love getting this hair color. This is a 99J, so this is a 5x5 HD lace closure wig. Alright, I'm so happy for this. This is actually a glueless closure wig, and you guys know I've been showing you guys so much closure options here on my channel since recently, because I want things to be super convenient for you guys. So let me show you the inside of the cap. So it's a regular dome cap, and it has two combs on the inside there. So they actually sent the elastic band that I should attach. This is what will help the wig to be snugged. So this is very important to go ahead and apply on into inside of your wig. So you loop there, like there's a part in there that has a loop, so you just hook the strap on the inside. So I'm gonna do that right now. So it's a beautiful burgundy color, and it's 26 inches long. It goes all the way down. So this is actually a this is like a nice loose bohemian curl. That's what they regard this as. So this is how it looks. The only thing, I wish the ends were a little bit more, like I wish the ends were fuller, and I wish they were curlier. You know, it gets a little bit, like it's not as defined with the curls at the end, and it's a little bit drier. So I wish that it was like more defined and softer at the end. I'm guessing it's because of the processing. I'm not sure, but that's how the ends are. So I just wish that that would have been better, but that's how it feels, and that's just my honest feedback on that. I really love the loose curly vibe, and it's very full. It's also 180% in density. It says that 180, but it actually feels like 200, so I'm pleased with that. It looks really good, as I said. So okay, nothing is done to the lace, so if you wish, you could go in and bleach it, tint it, everything that you wish. What I'm gonna do though, I'm not gonna do such a long process. I do have a lace tint spray, as you guys know, so I'm just gonna, in the meantime, before I even apply it to my head, and I can let it dry down, I'm gonna take some of my lace tint spray, and I'm going to just spray that on in there. And that's what you should end up with after you apply the elastic band. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and literally just slip this onto my head. Super snug. Listen, the elastic band definitely makes a difference, guys, like a huge difference in how well the wig fit, because if you don't have that, then the wig is going to be sliding back on your head, and it's not going to be as secure, and we need it with the, especially if you're going to be wearing it glueless, you know, we need it to be secure. So this is how it looks once I slip it on. What you can go ahead and do is just cut away the extra lace. So remember, this is a glueless wig. All I'm going to do though, I've been showing you guys it without any adhesive, so I'm actually going to cut away the lace and show you that you do not need any glue or anything in order for this wig to look good on your head. You can decide though if you want to proceed to add any adhesive. Like, it's totally up to you. So it's actually really nice and flat. It looks really good. I'm actually going to get this a little wet. I don't think I want to drench it though, just so that the definition of these waves can come out a little bit more. But that's when I'm to the end of, you know, just showing everything. So this is how it looks without any form of adhesive on it. All I'm gonna go ahead and do, I'm gonna do swoops here, because if you notice right here it kind of shows. So I'm going to just conceal that area just with a tad, like we're just doing a light swoop on the end. So I mean, it's still optional still, because you could go ahead and just wear the hair down like that, but I just feel like I want to do a little swoop. So this type of, you know, wearing a wig like this, super easy, super fast, it's very beginner friendly. Let's make that clear. Very beginner friendly, little to, well, no experience needed, honestly. Literally dry, you know, slip on and go. That's literally the vibe. Slip on and go. And all I'm doing to form my swoop here is just a little bit of eco styling gel. That's it. And you could literally form your swoops, and like the night before you have somewhere to go, or just before you have to go somewhere or whatever, and you could take the wig off. Remember, it's glueless, so it's not gonna disturb it or anything. So that's what I love about a good glueless wig. So literally, that's all. That's literally all it is to it. The graduation isn't the deepest either, so in with my wax stick, because I want the top to lay a little flatter, and I'll just literally finesse that, after which I'll fix like the parting just to make it like more precise and stuff. But I feel like this looks really good so far. Right now I'm just focusing on styling it. We're all finished with installation. It's literally 1, 2, 3. Literally. So this is how we're looking, guys. Right? This is how we're looking. Pretty good. So all I'm gonna do is get my spray bottle with some water, just water, because I don't want to weigh it down too much. What I find is that when you have like a loose, wavy hair textures, if you put too much product in it, it's gonna stay weighed down. And I love when you get back some volume and it's light, you know. So I'm gonna just do water in it, and I'm gonna come back and spray. And if you want, you could go ahead and rock it, not as defined, just like this if you wish. And this is how it would look. So I get my spray bottle with water. So this is how this side looks wet, and this is how this side looks dry. So you decide which state you prefer. It won't stay like this for a very long time. It will definitely, you know, fluff back up. So yeah, so easy, so convenient, and it looks amazing. It looks amazing. It lays flat, and you can see it's already fluffing up back, which I love because I didn't drench it. And yeah, yeah, remember, it is glueless, so that is amazing. Shout out to Megalook hair for this bomb wig. I mean, I've done quite a few of these glueless wigs so far, but it's my first 99J loose wavy one. So I'm really loving it. I know I'm gonna enjoy this. I'm going to be sure to drop the direct link to this wig down below in my description box. If you guys are interested in getting this wig for yourself, okay, as well as all the specifications, so you can see exactly what you're working with, the density, the look of the hair, the feel of the hair. Like, for the most part of the hair, it feels good and it looks good, and it's super convenient. No product needed to go ahead and rock this wig. Like, it's really gorgeous. So shout out to Megalook hair for this bomb wig once more. Thank you guys for watching today's video. If you're not yet subscribed, go ahead and do so, because the girl is super consistent. Also, check out my vlog channel at PETITE-SUE TV. I upload over there like at least once every week. A very nice, lengthy, rounded weekly vlog. You know, catch up with me on, you know, my lifestyle and stuff. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.